Welcome to today's video where we are going to set the record straight. AI is not a magic solution that will make you a millionaire overnight. Don't fall for the scams that will claim to help you make millions with faceless videos using ChatGPT under 1 hour. It's time to stop wasting your time. Instead, focus on the true value that ChatGPT and other AI tools can bring to your content creation process. They have the potential to revolutionize the way you create content. Remember, AI revolutions equals productivity revolution. As PhD candidate, trust me, my time is precious. I have to balance my research, teaching, consulting in business analytics, as well as publishing these beautiful YouTube videos. So I'm always looking for virtual assistants to help me manage my task. And today I'm hiring a marketing virtual assistant in the form of GPT. Recently, ChatGPT Store was launched by OpenAI, which is going to be highly beneficial for the GPT creators as well as for us, the users. So the GPT creators, they can build and sell their GPT online, okay? You don't need to have coding experiences, so anyone can have a go. At creating their own GPT. It's also beneficial for users like myself who can select the most productive GPT to help you with day-to-day manual tasks. Imagine it's your AI virtual assistant. You don't even pay them, and yet they are going to save you hours and hours in writing content for your publishing. As I mentioned, I'm a PhD candidate. My time is very limited, but yet I love to help the community for you to learn about all this new technology and how you can apply it in everyday life. So please subscribe and support my young channel. The GPT Store was just recently launched, and the vision of Sam Altman, who is the founder and CEO of OpenAI, is to empower users to provide them with the tools to create amazing things. So the GPT Store introduces custom versions of ChatGPT, but they are going to be like a mini GPTs that you can build yourself. The best part is you don't need to have coding experience, okay? The GPTs can be built from something very simple to how to create a recipe for a specific diet to even more complex. One of the most exciting aspects of the GPT Store is the potential for monetization. OpenAI is adopting an app store-like model where creators can earn money based on the usage of their GPTs. So I've already built a few and I'm going to put it on the market, and then I'll let you know how they are doing. Other most frequent questions are also, who are the verified builders? And the verified builders are creators whose GPTs have been vetted for quality, ensuring high standards on the platform. It's very similar how App Store operates as well. You need to be approved for your product to be displayed. And then what are the implications of GPT Store have on AI industry? So the GPT Store represents a significant shift in AI technology, offering new possibilities for AI creation and potentially reshaping the AI market landscape. But now let's shift gears. It's not about the instant wealth. It's about how AI tools can save you hours in creativity and writing. Let me share my experience. As I mentioned, I do lots of research for my PhD, as well as teaching and, work and life. For me, I love publishing YouTube videos. But there's so much work that goes behind publishing 8 minutes long video, okay? So what I want to do is I want to find the best GPT in ChatGPT Store that is going to help me to save me lots of time in creation of the best title, the description of my video, as well as hashtags and tags. And I found one. Let me share the magical GPTs with you. It's called YouTube SEO Wizard GPT, and I've used it specifically when I was publishing this Excel video, and honestly within seconds I was able just copy and paste and publish my video without any hesitations. What I love about this specific GPT is that it actually is a comprehensive solution when you need to build your title, your YouTube description, the keywords, the hashtags, but it focuses on SEO optimized content. Okay, so you don't need to go on YouTube and search your competition, the titles, and what hashtags they are using. It's doing the job for you. This is why I love it. Okay, now ready? Let me show you how to use it. Now let's proceed to explore GPTs. Okay, and here, as you can see, you've got so much choice of different GPTs that can help your productivity. So in my case, when I was looking for a GPT that can optimize my YouTube titles, I typed it into this window, and then suddenly you've got a plenty of choice of various GPTs. So in my case, I tested few, but the YouTube SEO wizard definitely resonated the most with what I needed. So once when you click on it, it's going to take you to its own GPT. Okay. Initially, when you start working with it, you will have to sign up with your email, but the setup is super easy. Next, let's type in the prompt. So the prompt is very clear, direct, and short. I'm asking, create a catchy YouTube headline for how-to video about the topic of absolute and relative reference in Excel. The video will be for total beginners and will help beginners to learn it in the fastest way. Okay, so now the GPT is going to provide you with 3 choices of titles, because when we write the titles, we have to always consider the SEO optimized keywords, and the keywords can be positioned at the start, in the middle, or at the end. So here we've got the keywords in the middle. It gives us a choice of 5 titles for keywords that starts at the beginning. There are 4, and then with keywords at the end, there are additional 4. They're really good, but the GPT also suggests the best title selection for you. So in our case, it picked Excel for newbies, learn absolute and relative reference in record time. This title is chosen because it directly addresses the target audience, which are the newbies, emphasizes the learning aspect, meaning learning, and adds a sense of urgency and efficiency, which means in record time, which are attractive for beginners looking to learn quickly. Listen, even if you have never published a YouTube video, this is a great learning experience for you to consider how you should be creating YouTube titles. And then, of course, you can pick any titles you wish, but here is a suggestion. Then it follows with a YouTube description, and the description is very comprehensive. You can then cut and paste into your YouTube video, and the description says, in this comprehensive tutorial, you will learn absolute and relative reference in Excel in record time as key skills for anyone just starting with Excel. As you can see, it took the title and a little bit expanded on the title and made it into a sentence, and then it follows with a paragraph of more description of what a user is going to get out of my video. The cherry on the cake, it's going to give you SEO optimized hashtags. So it will give you a list of, maybe there are 10, Excel for beginners, beginner's guide to Excel, Excel skills, absolute relative reference. Everything is so super efficient. And finally, it gives you SEO tags that we need to also copy and paste. And there are probably 30-40 of them. If you want to really spend your time in designing, creating, writing, checking, rewriting, you are going to save up to 1 hour of using this GPT. So I hope you like this. I'm definitely going to be using it on any of my future videos, including this one. As you can see, ChatGPT isn't a magic moneymaker. It's a powerful tool for saving time and enhancing creativity in your content creation journey. Remember, AI revolution equals productivity revolution. My time is very precious. Therefore, I'm determined to find even more productivity hacks to help me and you to make your day even more productive and super efficient. Ready, Stay tuned and sign up for my channel. Ciao!